When we do SQL programming, it may not be difficult to learn about the basic SQL components, but to use the correct components and come up with the expected logic to get the correct data might be challenging. Let's look at one of those scenarios about SQL joins. We have a request to get all customers who have never purchased product 716 before. We are using AdventureWorks for our discussion. Now, I want you to pause the video for a minute and think about how you would solve this problem. A common strategy to solve this type of questions is to use a SQL join. Look at the code. We join sales order header to sales order detail. We have a where clause. In the where clause, we do data filtering and we say product ID does not equal 716. We can use this code to get some data for validation and to check whether the code provides the expected logic. Let's run these two statements together. We got two result windows. The top one has the customers who have never purchased product 716 according to our code. That's the logic we expected. The bottom window has customers who have purchased 716 before, and the second window is used for validation purposes. Look at the bottom window first. The first customer is 11144. This customer purchased 716 before. Now, go to the top window. Remember, the top window has customers who have never purchased 716 before based on our code and our expected logic. Go through the list. We can see 11144 appeared in the top window. In other words, 11144 appeared in both windows. And we know our code didn't work properly, and we didn't get the expected logic. The reason why the code didn't provide the expected logic was even we filtered by saying product ID does not equal 716. But if a customer has purchased some other products before, then the customer will still be included, because the customer appeared in other orders which didn't include 716. And this is a common mistake with SQL joins. We need to be very mindful and very careful about this subtle difference. Let's look into this deeper. We can run this code to find out what products 11144 has purchased before. Run the code. And we can see, in addition to 716, this customer has purchased the other two products. Therefore, when we did the filtering by not including customers who purchased 716, but our logic was not correct. At least the code didn't provide the correct logic, and the customer 11144 was picked up because 11144 appeared in the other orders containing the other two products. To get the correct data and to come up with the correct logic, we can use except. In this solution, we first retrieve all customers who have placed an order before. Then we use except to exclude all customers who have purchased 716 before. Let's run the code. And check the returned data. One 11144 was not returned, so the code worked correctly, and this solution provided the correct logic. We got the correct data. Another possible solution for this question is to use not in. In this solution, we first retrieve all customers who have placed an order before. Then we have a where clause. In the where clause, we use not in, and we don't want to include customers who have purchased 716 before. Let's run the code and check the returned data. One 11144 was not returned. The code worked as expected, and we got the correct data. Those are the subtle things we need to pay very close attention to when we do SQL programming. This concludes our discussion.